How to convert PDF to JPG in iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert PDF to JPG in your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll need to do is create a shortcut. For that, open up the Shortcuts app and there we go. Now tap on the plus icon on the top right and then you'll need to create a new shortcut. Now the first action that we'll add is simply search for PDF and then you'll see make image for from PDF option. You can simply choose that and tap on PNG image and choose JPG. After you do that, simply tap on this from PDF option and from here you will be able to choose the resolution and colors. After you do that, you can tap on PDF and then you'll see shortcut input. Tap on shortcut input and here tap on images and resolutions. 18 more, and then what you'll need to do is you'll need to clear all of these and only select the PDF option. Now what you'll need to do is you will need to again add something else. So tap on this nowhere option and under nowhere option you will need to turn on show in share sheet. After you turn on show in share sheet, you can just tap on done, and after you tap on done, this is the basic layout of this shortcut. After you've done all of these, what you'll need to do is you will need to again add another option. For that, you will simply need to head over to the search bar again on the bottom, and under bottom what you'll need to search for is documents. You will need to go to documents, simply scroll on the top right here and then find documents. After you find documents, you can scroll down and explore the options available here. What you'll need to choose is you will need to choose an option called save. So scroll down till you find the save option and there it is, save file. Now after you tap on save file, what this will do is this will at the end save the image that you just converted into your phone. So you can expand here, and now if you want to again this shortcut to ask you where to save it, you can turn that on if you want to. After you do that, now we can rename our shortcut. So let us just rename it to PDF to JPG. After you rename this, you're basically good to go. Now whatever you need to do is tap on done, save this shortcut, head over to files, and on your files head over to any PDF that you want. And now what you can do is you can simply long press there, and under there you should find your shortcuts. Tap on share. After you tap on share, this is your share sheet and there you'll find PDF to JPEG. After you tap on that, it will start saving your photo, your PDF as an image in your gallery, and it's basically done. And that is how you do it, guys. That is how you can convert PDF to JPG in iPhone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.